The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 21st March the International Day of Forests in 2012 to celebrate and raise awareness of the importance of all types of forests. Now, to save the environment and its ecosystem, Ndejje University has partnered with Fair Ventures to plant 2,000 trees in commemoration of that day.
Tomorrow, the 21st March of 2023, is a very exciting day in the university, where we are going to participate in the commemoration of the International Forestry Day, which has a theme of health, forests and health. So tomorrow, we have partnered with a local NGO here, an international chapter of a local NGO in Uganda called Fair Ventures Worldwide, who restore degraded areas with afforestation, and their specific target is to use the indigenous trees in our environment, to restore our environment by using indigenous trees. So they're partnered with us as a university. Okay, we are even bigger. We have a bigger partnership with the Bethany Land Institute and another consultants from Germany.
Grants and Partnership Officer at Ndejje University says this activity is aimed at restoring degraded land.
But in this specific one, we are restoring a degraded land, 5 acres of degraded lands of the university. The university acquired land about 3 kilometers off the main campus in Luwero, in a place called Kiyinda, and we are going to plant 2,000 trees, indigenous trees, on that land. Fair Venture has already cleared the land. They have done the pitting, and we are going to have students to come with members of staff and members of the local community to come and plant these 2,000 trees as a sign that we need a clean environment. We need a clean environment, sustainable cities and communities according to SDG 11, and also that so that we can breathe good air and mitigate on the carbon emissions that are doing a lot of harm on the ozone layer. And I know they may appear like few, but every tree planted counts.
According to the program, different schools around the university have been invited to participate in tree planting activity in order to save the environment.
So we want this practice to be demonstrated to the children, the students that we are teaching, that it's very, very important to keep environment, to restore forestry, to plant trees for whatever use, be it timber, be it fuel. And we have also invited 3 neighboring schools. We have invited students from the Environment Club in Ndejje SS, a secondary school. Neighboring schools are partners, and then also students from Nalinyaro and Tale Girls School, which is also on the Ndejje Hill.
After the tree planting exercise, the trees will be monitored and catered for until they reach the required mature stage.
No. We are going to care for this land. There are plans already that when they are planted, they are going to be nurtured. They are going to be nurtured so that they grow into the trees they are meant to grow. And then we will have, at a point, we want to see how we can add value, the whole value chain, along the value chain. Apart from the benefits of the environment, we want to see that we can use the trees in a complete value chain in terms of timber and other stuff. So we have a long-term plan, and already we have a strategy on how to manage and harvest the trees.
The day will be filled with activities such as tree planting, speeches from different stakeholders, among others.
Assembled at the main building, the science block at main campus, and then we transport them to Kiyinda. We hope this will be, by 8 they should be there. They would have already set up tents, because the rainy season we want to have a place where we can shelter. And then we have the arrival of the chief guest. We have the invited guests and the chief guest, so that by 9 sharp, we are ready to start the planting. When they would have done some preliminary speeches, short speeches, to highlight the importance of the day, why we are doing this, where we are and where we are going as a university, and forestry in particular.
That day will be officiated by the Executive Director of National Forestry, and in attendance expected are officials from Luwero District, religious leaders, LC1 Kiyinda and Luwero Hill, students, staff members, among others. Anselm Ojaru, live at 8.